Well, greetings, peoples, folks of Space Aliens. I am so beat tired from this congestion, cold, and all this other stuff. I don't know if I should even be here. I'm at Elm Creek. This bike has never been at Elm Creek, so. And I am so tired. I cannot tell you how tired I am. But I'm going to do the green trails. See how I feel after that. Then I'm going to attempt to do some of the blue trail. And then I'll probably end up heading home. So, and they have some new stuff going on here. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, is this an extended feature? Ooh, this is pretty cool. I like the extended feature. Ooh. Actually, it's not. They're working on the power lines. Oh, that's a drop. This probably is going to be very short-winded for me. I feel absolutely horrible. Everything on the trail is being amplified back through my soreness. Yeah, normally I would have like flown off at like a jump, but not today. Someone was pulling out of here when I got here. And their big truck, colorful bike. I want to say it was 3 bright colors. And I heard this noise. I look behind me and he's taking off down the road. And helmet, jersey, a couple other things sitting in the middle of the entryway there. I'm like, oh, that sucks. Left him on the roof of their car and just took off. How many of us have done that? So I tried to post something on Elm Creek thing, and hopefully they will come back and get those. But I put them on the rock. I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah. But sometimes you got to slow down and speed up. This is such a fun area. Single track can be icy when wet. I think we're past that. Help protect the never trails. I love those signs. Oh boy. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna get my thing clipped in. I'm just gonna do the first part of the blue loop. I do feel like crap. When I get to the hills, I will go nice and slow. And I probably won't ride any of the extra features. Double jump. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna take as many things as I can. I call these islets. Everybody's like, I've seen 100 million videos of Elm Creek. Yes, but how many have you seen this year? Yeah, this is the stuff, man. I am glad I tried to do this. So, this is the earliest in the season I have ever seen mosquitoes come out. You usually don't see them until at least mid-June. But this crazy wetness we've been having, the little guys have been popping out. Oh yeah. 19, okay. So yeah, we haven't gotten to it yet. It's coming up. The super funness of sunshine. They said it was supposed to rain today. I think it was actually raining here a little bit this morning. Not enough to close the trails. So yeah, forget about that. Okay, this I think is the gateway to fun. I think. I mean, there's probably 40 jumps in this place. Count something like that. I kind of just floated over that because I wanted to hit it. It's been a fun and rewarding trip. It really has. I just am a little spooked out by the ghosts. That's the other thing I love about Elm Creek, is there's random stuff in the woods. Oh, I might have to cut out after this blue loop. I'm gonna stretch it out. So there's a jump up here. It's new. I'm gonna send it. Easy, easy tabletop. Not this, this is a roller. Oh yeah, that was easy. I kind of floated over it, but I got it. How was that, 4 jumps? 4 tabletops? And throw 300 miles to do 4 tabletops. Well, I did more than 4 tabletops, but I'm talking about ones I didn't do last year. Or didn't clear last year. That guy just informed me there's a jump right here. I saw him kind of roll over it. Yep. Oh yeah, that's another new tabletop. Didn't do that one last year. So that's kind of cool when you got somebody ahead of you. Oh, it's dry as a bone here. This trail probably opened in January. Yes, I've made that joke before. This is the area that always scared me. Let's see if I can just do it. I don't remember how you enter it. Yeah, this is it right here. Oh, go. Wow. Yeah, I need to go a little faster. Oh, mountain bike. Picture of somebody I don't know. Sticker. There's a jump back here, but it's not a table. I'm debating if I want to tie it. It's a sessionable thing. Yeah, right here. Well, this ain't gonna take me long to do. I'm gonna do this. As much as I love this place, oh. Yeah, that's not really a table. It's all right though.
Unknown to me at the time, my cell phone fell out of my pocket right back there, and somebody picked it up, and good karma came my way again, and I was able to go back and pick it up, but I didn't realize it until obviously much, much later.
No, I will not show you what I did because I didn't film it, for one. Second, I'm trying to maximize my time so I can maybe do the black. I kind of want to send, okay, I'm looking for tabletops. Holy cow. Okay. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I was going to do this, but I don't feel too bad, so just land. Yes, I am have a cough drop in my mouth. Uh-oh. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. I lost my phone.
While losing my phone was a major drawback and it cost me a lot of time, it definitely had one benefit, and that was a piece of trail that I did not know existed that I discovered right after that.
What's going on with this? So it does look like there's a jump line right here. So get yourself in gear. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, nice. Very, very nice. Oh, well that was worth me not doing the black loop. I think I'm gonna have to sneak in and do the black loop sometime. So the reason I'm not doing the black loop is because I lost my phone on the trail. And major brownie points to the other riders who found it, told me where it was, and I went back and got it. Yes. So, and I'm so beat tired right now from doing that. That I have to stay on the blue trail now. I just ride out. But I got some jumps in. So there's at least one tabletop back there. I think there was 2. I cleared everything. Pretty sweet. And it's a sessionable feature too. There's a roller. It goes up like this and then it's just real flat. It's kind of like a step down. I'm gonna call that a false step down. It is a step down, but It's false because there's no landing. You just land wherever. You jump it, you land wherever, and you land smoothly. Then you've done it. So false step down. I like that. We'll see if that picks up. See if that becomes a new click term. Remember this. This drop is breathtaking, but all the drops I've done, no problem. That's a step down. Let's take a look at that here in a second. Yeah, this used to scare the crap out of me. Got this, I got to jump after it, another jump after that. There's actually another table sideways. All right, so I'm gonna do the middle one. Thing get clipped in here. This drop is a little bit scary, but you just go for it. Whoa! Then the jump. Whoa! Another jump. Whoa! Yeah, I kind of messed up on that. But that's okay. This is the rightmost one. Wow! That's a jump. Then I don't know if there's anything else. That's got like a drop to it. I don't know. I really don't know. No, okay, so I missed the wooden thing. Crap. I think I'm done.
A special thanks indeed to the group riders and all the other people that were there that night helping me find my phone. Much appreciated. Let's play it forward with the karma. And we'll see you next time.